Hey guys, what's up? It's me. I'm Mormon here. I'm just here on another video. An update from that. Even though it's been a few days since that. It was on the 4th of July. A special day in the U.S. In the nighttime, I had big lightning strikes. Every 3 to 4 seconds. Every 2 to 5 seconds. And sometimes 10. It was crazy. It was insane. I even said sane once. Meaning like so insane that I just said sane. Like I couldn't even think what I was saying because it was so intense. We're back. I was even filming off of this camera here. 4K. What does that say? I don't know, but yeah. I call it a GoPro because it looks like that. Because it looks like one. It's not a GoPro, guys. It's not a GoPro. I'm just here filming. And you guys saw the videos on YouTube. Click down in the bottom corner on an iPad. And to the bottom on computer and iPhone. To find those videos. And also the description. The links in the description. Like links to the videos, that will also be there. If you can't find the video, you'll find that in there. If you'll find all that means I haven't looked at the video yet. But we'll also be filming tonight. In the nighttime. It's a pretty nice day outside. I'm gonna keep that one recording. And I'm gonna take this one, the iPad 6th generation, over to your side. Check this out first. Who's shiny again? Just kidding. We haven't used this iPad on the other side on that night. I don't know if you guys can see it. My glasses look like crap right now, but yeah, because of that. And either how way, it's yeah. And I even said some swear words once because it was. I mean, my choice. It made me say it, but I chose to because it was that intense, that insane, and that crazy, that psychotic out there. So yeah, everyone, I'm just here filming. And we almost hit 50 subscribers, guys. And I have 2 days before my wisdom teeth have to be pulled out. But and also, if you haven't seen the video of me with the washer. There was 3 extra duplicates because, yeah, everything. But it's intense. It's intense. Yeah, it's intense. Anyways, is that Dad? Was that Dad? Oh, Dad's home! Yay! Daddy! Hello. I was filming outside there. It was much clearer than that night.